Shout out to my boy for having a dope car. Today's vlog, we're going to be talking about my exhaust setup. Now, for those of you that don't know, I drive a Mk5 Jetta with an inline 5, 2.5 liter, 5-cylinder. Now, for me, this is my only car. This is my daily driver, whatever you want to call it. And one of the first mods I did to this car was put an exhaust on it. Now, I didn't want anything crazy expensive because, you know, with the exhaust systems is that you don't really get a noticeable gain in horsepower. You just notice, obviously, the change in the sound. So, what did I do for a reasonably priced exhaust setup? Well, all it is for me is that I got a Dynamax muffler with a resonator delete. All in all, with installation and everything, $400. Now, for me personally, that's like one of the best mods you can do for a noticeable difference in customizing your car. And it sounds amazing. And it makes people look at your car too. If you want that, you know, attention. I love when people look at my car because it doesn't look completely that modified. It just has S4 rims, blacked out the chrome with plasti dip, and this exhaust, really. With the resonator delete, does it drone? And if you can't hear it already, it does. But is it like annoying kind of drone? For me personally, not really. I don't mind it. It gives a nice tone to it, nice rumble, you know. Very unique sound. I'm okay with it. For everyone, will they like it? Probably not. Some of my friends that sit in the back seat, they told me they can barely even have a conversation with me in the front because all they hear is yeah. But for what you pay for, I think it's pretty legit. I personally don't mind. Now imagine if this had an intake, it'd probably even sound better. But since I plan next year to get myself another car, I'm not doing any more mods to it, fortunately. But you know, it's alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog, just basically talking about the exhaust setup on my car. Let me know in the comment section below, what's your exhaust setup? And are you happy with it, or do you plan on changing it up? And if you don't have an exhaust system, what kind of exhaust system are you thinking of getting? And if this is your first time, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, yeah, one more thing. Shout out to my boy Joey. He has a Mk5 GTI. He just got it shipped from Unitronic, Stage 1 Plus. Heard that thing's a monster. Yo, Joey, so when am I gonna be driving that thing, man?